Hello everyone, I'm sure you've all been well. In this video, I'll take you through my current setup for self-portrait, and I'll also show you how I shoot solo. Let's get into it. Here's one of the shortlisted images from my shoot, where I used various lighting techniques to achieve this look. To start, I used a key light to create the famous Rembrandt lighting effect, and this was followed by a side light that produced a highlight, effectively creating some separation from the background. Adding a top light is another favorite technique of mine, as it gives extra detail to the image. For this shoot, I wanted a pure white background, so I simply blasted some light into the styrofoam background. To enhance the visual appeal further, I used an additional light source that created a captivating pocket of light across my face. To lighten the shadow side of my portrait and accentuate the details in my eyes, I placed a golden reflector right in front of me. So that's it for all the lighting. The next step was to connect a tethering cable from my camera to the laptop. And through the native Sony desktop app, I'm able to control all my camera settings. Next, I carefully position my tripod at the exact height and placement where I'll be standing. This step plays a crucial role in achieving accurate framing and ensuring precise focus for my shots. Right, from here I set the self timer on the camera, and this nifty feature enables the camera to automatically capture pictures at regular 5-second intervals. This gives me just enough time to get into position and check my pose before transitioning into the next picture. From this point on, to be honest, it's simply a dance between light settings, poses, and getting the right expressions. This particular session lasted about 40 minutes, but the setup took me close to 4 hours to put together. I also spent some time on makeup and trying a few wardrobe options before I settled on all black. So that's it for this episode. Hopefully you've picked up a few new things. If you'd like to go a little deeper, check out the links in the description where I take you through my makeup process and my post-editing workflow. Until then, stay golden.